confidence, representing Titans, the 100-meter champion, 20.20 to get to this final, Yohan.
Mario Heslop comes here with 20.52, he's in lane 3.
Where number 999 ran 20.52, ran in the 100 meters, unable to get it to the final there, but is in the finals of the 200
And
meters.
Antonio Watson represents Racers Track Club in lane 2.
Yeah, a lot expected of him. Coach Bill says he's still on track to do well. Antonio Watson in this final with 20.74.
And this gentleman went to Bridgeport. His name is Jazeel Murphy, and Titans Track Club is in lane 1.
Titans coming a big force in men's sprinting here. 20.67 is the time that the Jazeel Murphy ran in the semis to qualify for this final.
So it goes 5. Jazeel Murphy in 1, Antonio Watson in 2, Mario Heslop in 3. The 100-meter champion Yohan Blake in 4, Ryan in 5, Andrew Hudson in 6, Rick Van Graham in 7, Nigel Ellis in lane 8. 200 meters men final, the final event of the JK's National Senior and Junior Championships 2022.
But
So they're set to win the first time of asking. Hudson gets a fantastic start. He's up on grip, and Nigel Ellis on the outside. Yohan Blake is right there. Rasheed Dwyer in the middle of the pack is running well. Also there is Heslop. But look at Hudson. Here comes Yohan Blake. Hudson holds him off on the outside. Ellis trying to get in the picture. Hudson gets it. 20.11 for Andrew Hudson ahead of the Yohan Blake. And it looks as if Rasheed Dwyer came through to third. He delivers first national title for Andrew Hudson.
welcome to the land of wood and water. 20-10. Andrew Hudson. Now the train has taken him home, or the plane has taken him home to Jamaica. Comes to his first ever national senior championship and wins in front of the Jamaican crowd with 20.10. The former Texas Tech man, the Red Raiders, gets through and gets his first title.
Hudson takes advantage of the fact that the big men like Yohan Blake, Nigel Ellis, ran multiple rounds of the 100 meters. Hudson said, hey, I'm not here to pretend I'm a 100 meter runner. I just want that 200 meter title. And does that with a big TV to the Minister of Sport down there. Hopefully congratulating Yohan Blake. But let's look at the race again. The best start out of lane 6. He caught Rick Graham at the start. That's how fast Hudson is going. Blake with his 100 meter speed going well around the curve, having 4 or 5 races in his legs already. Nigel Ellis out in lane 8 realizes, hey, I need to make the team in the 100 because I need to be the top 3 right now. Blake starting to tighten up a bit, Hudson focus, Ellis finishing well, Rasheed Dwyer finishing well. Very close there for third, but the winner without doubt, Hudson. Let's see how things go with his Jamaican passport. Do you know if he has secured that yet?
Not as yet. Hopefully he gets it by today or tomorrow. But Hudson, no doubting about his newly minted national title.
You know, listen, folks, you need to have the links and contacts that Dwayne Excel has. He thinks that he'll get the passport either today, Sunday evening, or tomorrow. But my links are pretty good, but my links would tell me like Tuesday, Wednesday. You know, with Dwayne, let me say, I'm going to call you up when I need my Jamaican passport renewed. But there we go.